Hey guys, today we are out in the showground with a L4240 ROPS tractor. Very similar to our 5740 that we have showed you before, but just our 42 horsepower model. So still a 4-cylinder premium hydrostatic tractor with splitter and all those features that your L40 series have. But today we're out to show you our Lampride finishing mowers. This particular one is a AFM42 So all flex mower, model is 42, and then 11 is just for 11-foot cut. So we can go all the way up into a 16-foot cut, and we also have smaller 3-point linkage mounted finishing mowers as well. So the thing about this width of cut is the individual cutting unit. So we have 3 different cutting decks on this machine, also PDO driven to the center, and then we've got the splitter in the center. So we've got PDO drive, 5-year gearbox warranty as well, clutch in the center there, and then the splitter. So each mowing deck has a gearbox on them, and then a belt on each cutting as well, each cutting unit itself. So they're all self-tensioning pulleys on these belts as well, so you don't have to take covers off and do any tensioning of the belts every service interval. So self-tensioning pulley on here, and then we've also got grease points as well. So it's actually a really good feature on here. So we've got these covers on the top here, but if you put a grease gun straight through there, the grease nipple is directly below that for greasing up the spindles on every one of these mowing decks. So there is a few grease points on here, but it also makes everything last a little bit longer as well, guys. We've got road lighting kit as well, and then easily adjustable cutting heights. So depending on the model, we go from 19 mil or 25 mil is your lowest cutting point, all the way up to about 190. So there is really big height adjustments, so it makes it very versatile to either do long grass out in the paddocks if you need to, down to mowing really short manicured lawns as well. So very easy just with your spacers to change your cutting heights. So it's just a clip on the top, and then just putting your spacer below the wheel just to adjust all of the height as you need it. We'll quickly walk over. I'll show you a 3-point linkage mounted one over here as well that actually has a quick hitch. So this particular one is just the FDR, so finishing mower 1672. So on a little B3150 cab tractor, so as you know, this B3150 can have a mid-mount mowing deck up to 72 inch, but we've actually got the rear-mounted finishing mower. So one of the really good things about the rear mounted is the ability to get this mowing deck underneath fence lines a little bit, or reversing up under trees to give you better access instead of just having the mid mount. Just your spacers on here. The wheels are actually offset. They don't run in line. So from front to back, so you don't have the same rear wheel running over what the front wheel is squashed to for the actual cut quality. So you don't have grass that's folded over with 2 wheels running over it. Again, we've just got PDO drive to gearbox, and then belt drive underneath with self-tensioning pulley set up on the quick hitch. So if you're going to look at a lot of Lampride attachments, whether they're these finishing mowers, slashers, rotary tillers, or anything in the lineup, always consider a quick hitch on the back of your tractor, just to make it so easy to disconnect and connect all of the attachments that you're considering. So now we've got the quick hitch compatible counterweights. This quick hitch system makes it very easy and very quick to disconnect and connect other attachments. So all you've got on here, so you've got 2 levers on each side. So all it is lifting these up. As you lift your lever, it'll move your pin. So I won't take it off just yet, but that unlocks it. So as you lift both these levers up, lower the 3-point linkage down, and it'll disconnect off all of these pins with no issues. So the only thing you've got to do is connect or disconnect your PDO on the machine. Makes it very easy to use. One of the other good things on these 3-point linkage mounted ones is this floating top link. So it'll float and contour over the ground a lot easy, so you're not lifting wheels over and giving you a nice consistent cut. that concludes our walk around of the FDR 1672 and the AFM4211. If you'd like to try one of these machines, or you'd like some more information on the Land Pride finishing mowers, leave us a comment or reach out to us at any of the AHS Group branches and we'll be happy to help you out.